2014 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter platinum. Really beautiful truck. Lifted. Got factory 4 converters, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Then it's true dual from the factory. He had some TRDs on it right there that he special ordered, and he absolutely hated them. They had no sound whatsoever. So he says, he brought them to us and he said, what can you do for me? This is what we did. Put up some FLOWMASTER Outlaws, part number 15430S with turn downs, because that's how he likes it, with turn downs. He off-roads it a lot. So there's the FLOWMASTER Outlaws right there. As you guys can see, came out really pretty, really beautiful. And then when it's on the ground, you don't see it at all. It's nice and hidden. You don't see anything. You just hear it. And like always, guys, if you like it, there'll be a link in the description for the mufflers if you guys want to purchase them. Here's a part number 15430S, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And if you like the sound, please comment, like, and subscribe. What do you think? There we go. There's sound decibels. If you really want to open it up, you got to change the back two cats to high flows.
High flows?
Yeah, that's the next step. I have them in stock. You want to do them?
Let's do a mass inspection.
Of course.
Let's do it.
Okay. Pull it back in. So you guys heard it with the... Go ahead and give it gas. So we're going to put high flow caps on the mix. You guys can really hear it. It's not loud enough. We want to make it louder. So we told you 2014 Toyota Tundra. We just did round 1. This is round 2. We just put 2 high flow secondary cats on it. I'll let you guys see them. So there's the stock ones there and there. There's the secondaries that are high flow. There and there. And then it's true dual all the way back. And still got the FLOWMASTER Outlaws. There and there. There'll be a link in the description for the high flow cats. They're APs. And there'll be a link in the description for these with turn downs. And there's the TRDs we cut off right there, as you guys can see. But we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. There we go. 113. Oh, I changed the sound completely. Much better. Again. So what do you guys like? Round 1 or round 2? With high flow cats or without? What do you think? Much better, right? And he's going to bring it back. We're going to put high flows in the front soon. What do you guys think? Look, it's a really nice truck too. Lifted. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 beast. Hopefully it'll go beast mode. Let's see. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. He's setting up. Beautiful. That sounds really nice. Oh yeah, I like that. Hope you guys like it.